Who Wants to Be a Millionaire has nothing to do with this quiz. You will not get any money, but you may get new information and entertainment out of this video. So today's question is:
Option A, Option B, Option C, or Option D?
Your time starts now. The correct answer is...
Here is another question for you before I go. Leave your answer in the comment section and I will pin the first correct answer. I make such interesting quiz videos daily, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel for daily bits of general knowledge.